In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your deleted photos on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Now I'm gonna delete a photo, let it be that one. To delete a photo, just long press on it, tap at delete, and then delete photo. However, guys, even though the photo is no longer showing here, it is not actually permanently deleted. That's because all the photo we delete moves to recently deleted album and stored there for 30 days. So in 30 days we are able to recover any photo we deleted. To do that, head over to Albums. Then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find recently deleted. And that's where we can find all the photos we deleted in 30 days. Just under each photo or video, it shows us the number of days that are left until the photo will be automatically permanently deleted even from here. And then if you would like to recover a photo or a video, you can just long press on it and tap at recover. Also, we can bulk recover images. To do that, tap at select, then select those photos or videos you would like to recover, and then tap at three dots and tap at recover and then confirm it. That's how you can easily see your deleted photos, and that's how you can easily recover it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.